Do you notice children getting drowsy from cough syrup? Exactly. It's because cough syrups with codeine or dextromethorphan are known to cause drowsiness. And other side effects include breathing difficulty, dependence, and constipation. FDA in April 2017 and EMA in April 2015 restricted the use of codeine in children below 12 years and even in older children.
Cough relief without these symptoms is possible. Introducing a natural non-drowsy cough solution crafted for children, Zecuf Kid. The Zecuf Kid Cough Syrup promotes mucus clearance, diminishes throat swelling and irritation, suppresses cough reflex, provides soothing relief from cough and congestion. Zecuf Kid Cough Syrup provide relief from different types of cough, with dosage of 2.5 milliliters 3 times daily for children 3 to 5 years of age, and 2.5 milliliters to 5 milliliters 3 times daily for children 6 to 14 years of age. Zecuf Kid Non-Drowsy Formula, 11 potent herbs, alcohol-free, 100% herbal, delicious taste, so children enjoy it as well. Zecuf Kid Cough Syrup, say goodbye to cough, welcome the fun.